Hi, this is Jake from MapWise, and today we're going to take a deeper dive into our custom boundaries. Now, if you're not already familiar with our custom boundaries, I recommend checking out our YouTube video linked in the description below. Our custom boundaries allow you a way to save different parcels on the map, whether it be one or multiple parcels, which you can group together and then view it like this Fruitville Road, for example. It'll highlight it based on the category that you select. You can input a custom name for it, and then you can add in notes that you can update at any time as well. Now, for this first example, what we're going to do in this deeper dive is we're going to look to add on more parcels other than the two I have selected. So again, I have our Fruitville Road here, custom boundary already set up, and I'm looking to add on these 4 parcels to this already existing custom boundary. The beauty in this is that we do not have to create a new custom boundary, we can just update this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click on our Select Parcels tool. We'll click Select by Point, and then I'm just going to go ahead and start clicking these 4 parcels. Now on the left hand side, you'll see all of the parcels will come up with the information. It's just the owner name here and the parcel ID number. You can click on Property Details and it'll bring you to the Property Details map. Now when you're doing this, if you want to add these 2 existing parcels to this custom boundary, you will have to click them as well. So now you can see I have 6 total parcels on the left hand side and they are all highlighted in yellow here. If I want to update this and show all of these as one, I'm going to go ahead and click Done, and then go up to our Custom Boundaries tab at the top here. And I already input our site name, which is Fruitville Road. I'll click Search, and it'll find that site for us. Now what I'm going to do is I'll click on the checkbox and hit Edit Record, and this brings us to our Edit Custom Parcels tab. So in this, I can change up the name, I can change the category of this, and we can also input and update more notes. But we're going to take this a step further, and we're going to click on Update Geometry. When I do this, it's going to come up with a new pop-up here, and we'll click on Match to Selected Parcels. You can see that this just updated, so now what we're going to do is click Zoom to, and you'll see on the map now, we've added 4 more parcels to that already existing custom boundary, and it's highlighted for us. Now, for example, if I wanted to show maybe that we can only build from, let's say if we drew an imaginary line across from here back, I can show that in this custom boundary. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up our drawing tools, which if you're not familiar with our drawing tools, feel free to check out the drawing tools video, which is linked in the description below. I'm going to click on Manage Projects here, and we're going to open up a new project. So in this project, I'm going to call it our Fruitville project, and we'll hit Load here at the bottom. Now I'm going to open up our Polygons tool, which is the Add Polygons here. And then we're just going to draw a line across. So for example, if we wanted to show that we can only build maybe from here back, I'm just going to simply click, drag out a line, and then just drag along the parcel itself. And again, to input new points, I'm just clicking with my mouse. And then when I want to end the line, I'm just going to double click to end the line there. So you can see we now have a new shape over our existing custom boundary, which I can change the color of, for example. So if we wanted to make it white, now it's white here, but we want to get rid of this part here of the custom boundary. So again, we're going to take this a step further. I'm going to click Done. I'm going to go back to our Custom Boundaries tab once again. We're going to click on the checkbox once again. We'll click Edit Record, and now we're going to click Update Geometry. When we do this, we're going to click Match to Custom Polygon. From the Select Boundary Name dropdown, we're going to go ahead and look for that Fruitville project, which is right here. I'm going to click OK, and now it says Geometry Matched and Updated. We'll click OK, we'll click Done here, and I'm going to click Save Changes. It says Record Saved, so we'll click OK once again, and now I'm going to click Zoom to. So as you can see, that site has now been updated to get rid of this part here. If I wanted to, we can click Clear Selected Parcels, come back to our layers here at the top left, and I can turn off our polygon drawings. So this way we can just see that site highlighted in the orange. Hopefully this video was useful for you. Hopefully you learned something new. If you liked it, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And if you haven't already, please sign up for our free 7-day trial to give this a shot for yourself. Thanks for watching.